So I wanted to do a quick review on restorers, engine restore and lubricant. I got a 2009 Jeep right here with well over 100,000 miles in it, and I was having problems with it. It was running pretty good, but it's a little sluggish. It's got, since it's high miles, they started to lose a little bit of their oomph. Well, and the gas mileage wasn't that great. So I put this stuff in there yesterday, and I've driven it about, 45, 50 miles so far. And I must say, I noticed a difference right off the bat. I mean, it wasn't like super horsepower like a turbo or nothing, but it was definitely more oomph, more get up and go, more pickup. On the highway, it was a lot quieter, a lot smoother. Just little things like that. It's like it had more compression or more newness or something. I don't know. But I was really impressed. So I gotta say, it does what it says it will do. And for me, it made a difference. So I don't know.